A charge is mór ná ar dúsa mar stúrthóir Féile an Phobail, fáilte an mór chu romh ag launchail specialta seo, launchail virtual Féile sa bhliain ga céad sa fiche. Friends, it's a great honour for me as the director of Féile an Phobail to welcome you all to the launch of our very special festival in 2020. The first time ever that Féile has launched as a virtual festival. Féile has been going now for 32 years, and literally since 1988 we have always found a way of putting the festival on regardless of what's been happening around us. This year is no different. Although COVID-19 has disrupted our plans somewhat, it has not in any way dampened our spirit, our resolve, our resilience and our determination to put on a fantastic quality cultural and arts programme for the people of West Belfast, for the people of this island and beyond. Féile an Phobail is now Ireland's biggest community arts festival, and we thought it was very important that regardless of COVID-19 that we put on a quality programme of events, and this year will be no different. We'll have over 100 events taking place across many art forms, including music concerts, comedy, tours and walks, a fantastic debates and discussions programme, visual arts exhibitions, theatre productions, youth and community events and sporting events. Once again, there will be something for all parts of the family to take part in. The only thing different about this year is that instead of West Belfast and Féile welcoming the world to our community into West Belfast, we're going to bring the Féile and West Belfast to the world, again putting on a great showcase of community arts and community resilience in action. So sit back and enjoy this year's programme from the comfort and safety of your own home, and we really look forward to welcoming you all to take part in this very special virtual Féile this year. We also want to pay tribute and thank all of our funders, our sponsors, our stakeholders, and most importantly the community of West Belfast for once again supporting the festival in our endeavours this year. So Kharja, we very much look forward to seeing you participate and engage in this year's virtual programme, which can be accessed online from our website failebelfast.com and across all our social media channels, and we very much look forward to seeing you here in person in 2021.
Belfast is developing a growing global reputation for its creativity and our tech ability. So it's very fitting that these two sectors are coming together to provide this year's virtual Féile. An innovative, safe response to the pandemic restrictions, which will both connect and entertain us. As proud funders of Féile, Belfast City Council commends the resilience and the flexibility of the team to bring this online programme for the first time ever. As Lord Mayor of Belfast, I'd like to wish everyone involved in the Féile 32 the very best of luck, and to you, the audience, have a fantastic time watching. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Sonia Whitefield, and I'm the Arts Council Officer for Féile an Phobail at the Arts Council. In the best of times, it's always a pleasure to welcome the annual Féile an Phobail. In the worst of times, it's even more important that the celebrated festival continues to provide audiences with creative, inspiring experiences, to uplift people's spirits, and to provide a welcome tonic to the restrictions we've all had to endure over the last few months. As Principal Arts Funder from our National Lottery funds, we at the Arts Council are delighted to see that the team have risen to the challenge of these difficult days in redefining the festival, so that you can continue to look forward to being uplifted, enriched and entertained in those special ways that only the arts can do.
Hi, I'm Leanne Rooney, Operations Manager from Pretty in Pink Breast Cancer Charity. We're absolutely delighted that the Féile have chosen Pretty in Pink as one of their nominated charities for this year's Féile. Pretty in Pink is the only registered breast cancer charity in Northern Ireland, supporting men and women in our local communities with a breast cancer diagnosis. Things are a little bit different this year, but we are really looking forward to what Féile is going to be offering and encourage everyone to get on board and support them in their virtual Féile.
Hello, Anton Finnegan here from the determined trust. First of all, a big thank you to Féile and Phobail for the continued support in our fight against motor neuron disease. We want to wish Féile a very successful virtual Féile for 2020 and look forward to all your online events. Thank you.
Hello, Adrian Dunbar here. Féile and Phobail is online this year from the 29th of July to the 9th of August, and I shall be with them reading some poetry of Seamus Heaney's, whose connections with the west of the city are very well known through St Joe's, so I'll see you all there.
I'm so sorry that we're not all going to be together in the park this year, but when I think about the past few months, I'm so proud of my community and how we've all came together and made sure the most vulnerable people were looked after, and that really is the spirit of Féile, the spirit of community, so let's keep that going.
A big good luck to the staff and to the board of Féile and Phobail this year. This is a new year for them. This is the first virtual festival. Normally the world comes to West Belfast during August, but this year it is a bit different, where West Belfast Féile goes through the world itself. So big massive year this year, debates, music, join in the crack.
Hi, is me Léana an tafa gach forbartha le Harris í Conaile. Amór ar partnerí Féile and Phobail agus Féile Iaril Arachtal acu Léana. Bei oscan céad amach ar fáil Lína, chuideogainn haon ina measc agus tá muidig súil go mór leis.
Sméise Martin ó Mhuileor is grúpa man Verste Tá mé Lanston, Féile and Phobail le fiche bliain ar agus breis. Guím gach bannach dormh Léana agus sibh Golden Cian Éile Gníir an Tálib.
Féile is going virtual this year. I'm going to miss the friends I only see from one Féile to the next Féile, but you know what? I'll be able to catch up on all the debates, I'll be able to hear everything as it happens, and I'll be able to contribute on social media, and I really can't wait. Amór Féile.
Hi, I'm MCA Abdul, and I'm an 11-year-old rapper from Palestine, and I've had such an amazing time working with GMC Beats, Youth Work Island, Cork Music Generation, and Stevie G. And it's amazing to take a part of Virtual Féile 2020, and I want to send all my good vibes from Gaza to Belfast. And I really cannot wait to rap in front of you all in real life next year. So peace and love here to everyone's watching.
St Mary's has enjoyed 26 years of community partnership with the Féile, and over those years we have seen the festival grow bigger and better. This year things will be different. The debates, the discussions, the exhibitions which are normally held on campus will be going online, and they will be using digital technologies. St Mary's will be doing its bit to ensure the delivery of the festival in 2020.
Hiya folks, Jerry Adams here, just to wish you all well at the virtual Féile and Phobail extravaganza. It's a rather strange event for us all, and a series of wonderful debates and all the rest of the crack that goes with it. So, Gníir an Tálib Bugarjahas, agus Buinigi Sultas.
Ar cion Codalán Maganam Fiach, Giamid Gakra, ar Éile Phobail Fiche. Comedinia ar base live ar board live ar East Léana. Amór.
Hello, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Glenn Bradley and I'm a West Belfast man that migrated eastward student now. This short shout out is to all those organising or participating in this year's Féile and Phobail, the People's Festival, which is running from the 30th of July until the 9th of August, and due to these dire times that we're living in, we'll have over 100 events online. You know, music, concerts, debates, discussions, theatre, arts, community events and virtual tours. From me to you all, my very best wishes for a great festival. Good luck. Thanks. Garmy of it.
Hi, John Brawley, Irish News here. We're absolutely delighted to be a partner with Féile and Phobail in terms of their discussions and debates, with over 100 events happening online between the 30th of July and the 9th of August. It's a must-watch event.
Aupa, Belfast, Ipar Irlandako lagun guztiak. Bueno, aurten oso urte berezi izaten ari da, eta ezin izango dugu bertan izan. Eta, bueno, Euskal Herritikan gure elkartasunik beren abiatzen dizuegu, eta besarkada ez duena. Beste gazte, euskal.
It's Cara McCann here, Director of Here and I, the organisation that supports lesbian, bisexual and their families. Féile and Phobail 2020 has a multitude of events, over 100 events planned online. There's something there for everyone. Make sure you log in.
Hello, Jim Donnelly, Active Communities Network. I just want to wish Féile all the best this year, and also say that we're delighted again to be partnering up as community partner with Féile and Phobail. Good luck 2020.
Benishan sa gorcig den Féile mliana, agus braham wym gomor an trus, ach tan a sŵr leis an Féile fírúil, agus ysdolium go veic me nís mó mliana na war a veiking da mengi mil fyrste. Bully Féile agus man ná.
Hi, my name is Dylan and I'm from Active Communities. I want to wish Féile all the best in their virtual campaign. It's a great organisation to get involved in, and I urge every young person to get involved in it. Thank you.
Féile and Phobail is a Belfast institution which has grown steadily over the last 3 decades, and even a pandemic was never going to stop it in its tracks. So I'm sure it'll be just as successful as ever in virtual form this year.
I always look forward to the Féile. I love it. Good luck for this year Fashion Féile 2020. Brian Moore.
2020 vision is perfect vision. Because of COVID-19, Féile has moved online. That's a challenge, but I know Féile will rise to it to produce something perfect. In the virtual world, everyone has a front row seat.
I'm Gardine and I'm part of Féile Youth Subgroup. This is a quick message to wish Féile good luck with their virtual festival and to encourage all young people to take part.
Lads, I am absolutely delighted to say that Ireland's Call is going back up to Belfast, back up to my favourite audiences up there. It's for the virtual Féile Festival, and I think it's going to be brilliant. It's more important now than ever to support Irish art. I want to thank Tony Devon up there for sorting everything out, and I'm beyond excited because I know the last time there was a lot of people let down and they wanted to see the show again, but it's happening and more people now can watch it online, so I can't wait. All the best and God bless you all up there.
Féile and Phobail has been growing strong from 1988. This year, as a result of the global pandemic of COVID-19, we are going virtual. Féile represents everything that's great and good about West Belfast community, our creativity, our ingenuity, our ambition. And this year that will be marked virtually. So wherever you may find yourself in the world, tune in and join Virtual Féile.